Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use as long as and provided. Using as or so long as and providing or provided that in sentences means the same as if or on condition that. It means that something will be true only if something else happens as well. So have a look at the sentence example. You will get the discount as long as you bring the handout with you. So the handout is the condition. Without it, you won't get the discount. So you need the condition to happen. You need to bring the handout in order for this to happen, in order to get the discount. Let's have a look at another example. You can borrow my car as long as you have a valid driver's license. So the condition is that you have a valid driver's license. This needs to happen in order for this to be true. So I used as long as. When talking about the future, we don't use will after these words or phrases unless, as long as, so long as, provided, or providing. We don't use will after any of those words or phrases. We use the present tense. So have a look at this sentence example. I am not buying that TV tomorrow unless they give me more discount. So here I am talking about the future, tomorrow, but I used the word unless. We don't use will, we use the present tense. So let's have a look at an example using provided that. Provided that the weather is fine, we will have a picnic on Sunday. So here, the condition is that the weather is fine in order for this to be true. So we used the words provided that. Excellent job with these English words. Well done. Goodbye.